Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay. And in today's video, I'll show you top 3 hidden features you never knew existed in Alipay. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up my Alipay. Have you opened up my Alipay? The very third one on my list right here, the hidden feature that you do not know that exists in Alipay is Alipay Talk Card. So when you open up your Alipay, whether you have been using it for a long time or you are new to Alipay user, you will not see Alipay Talk Card in your home page like this. For you to have access to Alipay Talk Card, come to the top right here. And then what you want to do is to simply type in Talk Card. Talk Card. Then type in Talk Card. And hit on search. Now it's going to take you to this Alipay mini app, Talk Card right here. Click on it. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Enter. Then it's going to take you right here. This particular Talk Card right here allow every foreigners to bind their bank card, whether MasterCard or Visa card, with the help of Alipay Talk Card. You can fund your Alipay Talk Card with your local currency right here. What you need to do is to simply click on Use Now. So when you click on Use Now right here, click on Use Now, then you will be given these options right here. So per year, you can spend 50,000 yen in your Talk Card. That is for standard card. Then for experience card, you can spend 14,000 yen per annum. So this fund right here, you can use to shop online, make payments offline, most especially if you are in China. And this is one of the great things that every foreigner can explore right now. Whether you are in China or you are outside China, you can use this opportunity to top up your Alipay Talk Card with any amount, whether for standard card or experience card. This is one of the great things that you need to explore right now in Alipay. Just select any of the card, enter your information on the card, and at the same time, enter your international passport, then you are good to go. However, some countries are not available to use Talk Card. But if your country is available to use Talk Card, what you need to do is to select any of the card right here. So either standard card or experience card. Then provide your information and the card will be given to you. Then from there, you can start topping up your Alipay Talk Card right here. So your balance will appear right here. The balance here can be used to make a purchase on 1688, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, Taoba, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website that accepts Alipay as a means of payment. So this is one of the third things I want to show you right here in your Alipay. So let's take a look at the second one right here. So I'm going to go back to the home page, go back to home page, and to the home page, go back. So next thing you want to, the second one I want to show you as far as new Alipay feature is concerned is to go ahead and click on account right here. The next thing I want to do here is to go to bank cards. Allow you to load up. Then this is a new feature right here. NFC contactless payment that support foreign bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard. This is very much useful for foreigners that are in China that I want to enable tap to pay in their Alipay. What you need to do is to simply click on try. So when you click on try, you will be asked to place your, once you click on try, it's going to take you right here and you will be asked to bind your Visa card or your MasterCard to NFC payment. For you to do that, simply click on start. When you click on start, then you will need to place your ATM card, whether Visa card or MasterCard, on the camera chip. Then allow the camera, Alipay camera, to snap the chip, and the card will be bind right here. Once the card is bind right here, you can use tap to pay if you are offline in China. It's that simple. So this is the second one I want to show you as far as new features in Alipay is concerned. Let's take a look at the very first one right here. So the very first one here allows you to control your daily budget expenditure in your Alipay. Now the very first one here, as far as 3 hidden features in Alipay is concerned, is a situation whereby you have an outstanding payment from your 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. Alipay has a new feature now that allows you to settle the payment right in your Alipay app without going through those Chinese shopping apps. And for that, what you need to do is to go to my transactions right here. Then go ahead and look for waiting payment order right here. So you can see my expenditure right here. Under the expenditure, continue to scroll down until you see any of awaiting payment order, whether from 1688 or Taobao or Pinduoduo. Just continue to scroll down, and you will see them right here. So take a look at this one right here. This is a waiting payment. So for that, click on the link, and it's going to take you to a page whereby you can read the detail about the payment. So right here, I have a waiting payment for order of 4.32 yen. So for you to make payment straight up with these new features, simply click on pay now, and you enter your payment password. The order will be paid for successful. Then you can go ahead and go to your 1688, track your order with the logistic. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.